So this is the before. So it's rough. it's real rough. There's a screen. It goes probably up to that one. If you've never seen the pond things, they're extremely rigid and sharp. Yeah, man. He's like, I don't mind it. We're good. The pool, just all sorts of sad. That's gonna be Allie's project. So Allie, you gonna tackle the pool today?
Yeah.
Like, you can't even tell that there's a hot tub back there. Cute little scrunchy face. There's a little lizard thing down there. There's a lot of things alive down here. That's disgusting. So yep, that's before. After about 2.5 hours of work, we took a break because A, we were dying, B, the lawnmower's out of gas, and C, Allison just got stung by a bee. Cut a lot of this grass, cleared out a lot of the weeds and stuff out of here already. And we made this big old pile, all this stuff all over here. We found a ladder stuck in a tree, so that's interesting. So this is where they were clearing out, and yep, there's a big bee right there. Ellie got stung by a big black bee. Poor girl. She's doing good work. She cleared out this whole section of the pool and then helped with a lot of the rest. So. Okay, so now it's been another hour and a half or so, and I finished mowing. We finished pulling up all the weeds and all that. Cleared out a whole bunch of stuff, and this yard is huge. There's some sort of pretty plant over there against the fence. That still needs to get cleared out. But it's a pretty spacious yard. Pictures and the videos don't really do it justice either. The house and the yard are a lot bigger than they look. I got this grill and I'm putting it together. It says Pit Boss Memphis. Then in the instructions it says if the cord is too short, then you can use an extension cord, blah, blah, blah. They have the audacity to say if. This is the cord. So we've been here like almost a week now. Here's a little update. It's gross. So it's been raining a lot, but we got a lot of stuff cleaned up. You can hear frogs down there. Yep, that's frogs. We still got some work to do here. Some of the overhang. Cleared out some of that. Cleared out some of that stuff there. So we're looking better, right? And here's the pile. It's huge. For size comparison, it's huge. Here I am in this step right here. Wood chips box assembly, okay? Well, how about back here, okay? I remember. I actually read all the little warnings and everything. Imagine that. So check this out. Do not use wood pellets or wood chunks. But so wood chips are good to go, but wood pellets and wood chunks, no. What? We've been pressure washing for a long time today, and I just want to see if you guys can notice the transition point from where it was gross to where we got today. Got a screw right up there we put in there. I have to stick my finger through this hole just to point at it. It's up in there, and yeah. So you try and get that thing. See, you can't even show you the hole that it goes into. The hole is inside here. So when you inevitably drop that screw, which you will, it falls down in here. There's a hole of blackness here, and it just falls into that hole. And you can't get it out. Like it doesn't go through. Fun times! It's been about 2 weeks now. And notice this side of the driveway versus that side of the driveway with the huge pile of plant debris. Also, look how beautiful it is just down our street. Clean this all up. See the difference here. The one and only room that's really Gotta give him some loves. Oh, get him, Popeye! Got the lighting set up here. And there's the beautiful wife, Beth. Aww. Cleaned up all of this. It all looked about like that before, so now it's much cleaner. We got a brand new AC system, if I didn't mention that before. Got the whole parking pad cleaned up, parked the trailer on it. Still got that corner that we need to do. This pool, although awesome, is really in bad shape. There's a spot down right about there. The water from the ground is seeping back up. It's almost 4th of July and I haven't been able to do any fireworks for a very, very long time, so I'm super excited. Here in Florida, we can get some of this good stuff right here. And yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention the music room. So we have a hide-a-bed couch. There was a loose wire on there, a loose wire in there. I fixed both of them. This gets a lot louder and punchier than I ever thought it did. I am quite happy with that. And then the drum set in the corner. The bay window and everything. There we are, the very last day before I got to shave and cut. So that's it. A couple hours later. Ah! There we go. Better. All right, so 4th of July 2021, ambulances have evolved. Oh my God. Check out this new headband I got. It's really trendy. All the cool kids are wearing these.
That blew her head off. Let's blow up the other one.
All right.
And then her tail.
So the floor is in progress, thanks to these two. 100%.
That's right.
100%. I went to the skating rink instead. I took the kids, and I've been smoking a brisket. All right, got the dads involved. Yeah.
And me.
And Allie. Lame.
That was hot. Different go. Oh, I love it.
I think that's it. It is raining. Look at the smoke. Thump. That was not correct.